bird, flower. That's Bubble Bunny. Echo after me. Bird, bird. How many sounds does bird make? That's right, just one. Flower, flower. How many sounds does flower make? That's right, two. How many sounds does Bubble Bunny make? That's right, none. Flower, flower, bird. Flower, flower, bird. Flower, bird, bird. Bird, flower, bird. Flower, bird. Bird, flower, flower, bird, flower, flower,